We are pleased to show you the 2020 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.